here with Tugboat Jim at
Let's
the
go.
Sahara High Limit. We're playing some Fang Biang Pao Lions. We just popped the red one. I told him whatever we get in this, I'm going to split with him. So let's go. Come on, we want to get more lions in those blue ones. Come on. There we go, come on. Let's go. I have the best luck on this game. Now we'll get the blue one over here somewhere. We need like the mini or the minor. The major would be nice in here. Come on. Hit something. Oh, there he is. All three, baby. I swear, almost every time I play this game, I get all three. All right, come on. Now we need one of these guys to land in here. All right, we got 5 more games. Okay. Times 5, baby. Come on. Oh man, we need the big ones. Come on, bring something good out. Do it. Look, we got all of them covered. Oh, there's the mini. All right. You know there's... Oh, times 5. Damn, I got to split it with Tugboat Jim. I was hoping for a shit sandwich bonus, but no, actually, that's awesome. That's beautiful. And we still got one more spin. Come on, get something else. All right. $300. So you get $137 or 37 cents, 0.5 something. I don't know. Fuck it.